In previous class we will learn about the what are proteins and what are the amino acid. Now we are learn that what are the amino acids and how amino acids are classified in different classes. These are amino acids. Amino acids are basically a molecule which have carbon molecule in between, and there is some carboxylic head group and amino terminal, one carboxy terminal, one hydrogen atom, and R chain. There is a these structure are similar in each amino group. These structure are same in every amino group, but there is a difference in R chain. On the basis of their R chain, amino acids are classified into different classes. So today we are going to discuss about the classification of amino acid. Let's start with the table. This is the classification of amino acid on the basis of their R chain. What are amino acids? On the basis of their R chain, amino acids are divided into two groups. The first is non-polar amino acid and the second is polar amino acid. What are non-polar amino acids? Non-polar amino acids are basically divided into two groups. The first is aliphatic group. The first is aliphatic group and the second is aromatic group. Aliphatic group contain glycine, alanine, proline, valine, leucine, isoleucine, methionine. There are 7 group of aliphatic, and there are 7 group of aliphatic group, which is there are 7 group of 7 type of there is 7 amino acids. In short, we will learn GAV limb. This is called single letter abbreviation when we are defining any amino acid from this single letter, that is known single letter abbreviation. If glycine present in any protein, we will not write the glycine, we will only write G in place of glycine, like alanine A, proline P, valine V, leucine L, isoleucine I, methionine M. But there are some other type of amino acid which is started with the same letter, like leucine and lysine. So we did not use L 2 times, we will use K in place of lysine. Okay, there is another aspartate and glutamate, and there is also asparagine and glutamine. They both are started with AG and it is also started with AG. So come to the topic. Non-polar is divided into aliphatic and aromatic. In aliphatic there is a trick, but learn GAV limb. In aromatic we will learn WYF. WYF. This is the short trick. Aliphatic are GAV limb, aromatic are WYF. Phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan. These are aromatic amino acids. The second is polar amino acid. Polar amino acid are basically divided into 3 groups: uncharged, positively charged, negatively charged. Both amino acid do not contain any charge is known as polar uncharged, and those contain positively charged are known as positively charged amino acid, and these are negative charged amino acid. Like if this R chain contain positively charged that are known as positively charged amino acid. If this chain is contain negatively charged amino acid, it is known as negatively charged amino acid, and if we don't have any charge, it is known as polar uncharged. Okay, polar uncharged have serine, threonine, cysteine, asparagine and glutamine. Positively charged contain lysine, histidine, arginine. Negatively charged contain aspartate and glutamate. Uncharged serine, single letter abbreviation ST, T for threonine, cysteine for C, asparagine for N, glutamine for Q. Lysine for K, histidine for H, arginine for R. Aspartate, this is D and E. This is known as they. Negatively charged is known as they. It is known as these K R H. That is known as खुशनुमा राहुल है. Okay, let's start with the structure of amino acid. This is the structure of glycine. This is the actual structure of glycine. Polar carboxylic head group, amino group, 1H group, and this is the R chain. And this is R chain, this one is glycine, and the second one is alanine. In alanine, the R chain is CH3. In proline, this is the R chain, this one is R chain, and in valine, this one is R chain. There are different structure of R chain. In glycine, this is very normal, only H, and this proline, this is so complex structure of R chain. So on the basis of their R chain, it is different. Next, leucine, methionine and isoleucine. Isoleucine and leucine, they both are the actual symmetry of each other. They contain same molecule, but their structure are different. These are isomer of each other. What are isomer? Isomer basically if this same molecular formula but differ in structure. Like this contains CH3 CH, CH3 CH3. It is also contain 2 CH3 and 1 CH2 molecule and 1 CH molecule. So their molecular formula are same. If we count this 1 2 3 4 carbon, 2 3 6 9 hydrogen. It contain 1 2 3 4 carbon and 3 plus 4 6 plus 9 hydrogen. So these both have same molecular formula, same number of atoms, but their structure are different. Leucine, that's why it is known as isoleucine, isomer of leucine. Next, these are the negatively charged amino acid. Aromatic R chain, non-polar. Phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. These also contain different type of R chain. These are not aromatic amino acid. These are not negative amino acid. These are aromatic amino acid. This one is phenylalanine. If we see the structure, जूम इन करके देखते हैं, क्लियर हो रहा है? ओके, this is the structure of phenylalanine, then tyrosine and tryptophan. In phenylalanine, this is the structure of R chain containing OH group, tyrosine, and this one is more complex. This one is R chain. These R chain are differ to each other. Now here are some other polar uncharged R chain. This one is serine. In all of these structure, you can notice there is only one single carbon, that is known as alpha carbon, then carboxy carbon, then hydrogen and amino acid. These structure are always same, but there is only difference in serine, threonine, cysteine, asparagine and glutamine. They are R chain. These are the R chain of all the molecules. Okay, we will in further classes we will learn then how it is draw the structure of all of this. Today I only introduce the name of the amino acid, the classification of the amino acid, name of amino acid, single letter abbreviation, and the structure of amino acid. And this is the structure of lysine, arginine and histidine, that is positively charged amino acid. These are the structure of positively charged amino acid. This is lysine, arginine and histidine. You can notice this chain contain positively charged molecule. That's why it is known as positively charged. It will contain on this positively charged molecule. That's why these are the R chain. Lysine, arginine and histidine. K, R and H. Single letter abbreviation. Okay. We will continue tomorrow.